Hi chefs, Ty here from Devon Cookery School. Today I'm going to be choking you with a moulie. Hi chefs, welcome to Devon Cookery School. My name's Ty and today I'm going to be taking you through how to make a traditional Korean cabbage kimchi. So what is kimchi? Kimchi is simply a fermented spicy cabbage dish. It's eaten by Koreans with almost every meal. You can batch make it and it will keep in the fridge for months. And once you've made it, you'll never buy it again. So let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. We've got some flaky sea salt, some cornstarch or corn flour, some plain old granulated sugar, some chives, spring onion, garlic, firm pears, ginger, carrot, onion, unsalted vegetable stock, gochugaru, Chinese leaf cabbage, and moulie or daikon. First of all, I'm going to cut the cabbage lengthwise, and then lengthwise again into quarters. I'm going to take out the hard core, discard that, and then cut it into bite-sized chunks. So now that we've prepped our cabbage into bite-sized chunks, I've got around 1 kilo here. I'm going to cover it with about 3 tablespoons of flaky sea salt. I'm going to mix that together so that it's nice and coated and let it sit for around an hour to an hour and a half.
2 hours later.
And after 2 hours, this is what it should look like. So into the food processor, I've got ginger, garlic, an onion which I've just quartered, half of a pear, some salt and some sugar, and a couple of tablespoons of vegetable stock. And I'm going to puree that down until it's really smooth. The next stage is to mix our corn flour and our vegetable stock together and bring it up to a boil to a thick paste. Now that our cabbage has had 2 hours of salting, it's been drained and rinsed through a couple of times to get the excess salt off and let to drain so it's nice and dry. I've julienned the rest of our vegetables and we've got the 2 pastes that we made, the chili flakes and the salt and sugar, and all of these now just need to be mixed together until they're a one homogeneous mix. First of all, we're going in with our stock mix, then in with the ginger, garlic and pear, our chili flakes, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of flaky salt, and the vegetables. And now it's just a case of getting our hands in there and mixing it all together. So here we have it, our final delicious kimchi. This will now take around 2 weeks to mature and it'll be absolutely amazing after around a month. This will keep in a Tupperware in the bottom of the fridge for anything up to 9 or 10 months, but let's be honest, it's not going to last that long. Well, thanks for watching guys. If you want to recreate this at home, you can check out our recipe blog, which is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.